Yo, what's up, my friends? It's your buddy, the Reverend from the Bearded Brewers, bringing you another episode of Cooking with the Reverend. Yo, what's up, my friends? It's your buddy, the Reverend from the Bearded Brewers, bringing you another episode of Cooking with the Reverend. So, if you're like me, it's Taco Tuesday and you're running out of time and you didn't thaw out your meat, but I'm here to show you a quick trick that a lot of people don't remember and often really just forget about all the way across the board. So, what do? Well, first, you grab your meat, right? Second, you put it into a microwavable safe container. And then you go to your microwave. Once you're in your microwave, go ahead and move some things around. And right here, this is what's amazing. Auto defrost. Meat, poultry, fish, bread, rapid 1 pound. Now, your buddy the Reverend happens to have 2 pounds of meat. So, simple. You find your auto defrost, you press meat, and then like mine, it's gonna tell you to enter the weight. So we have 2 pounds. Bam. You press start, and you just go to town and you have fun with it. It's that simple. Now you can enjoy Taco Tuesday on Cinco de Mayo. I hope you enjoy watching. As always, thank you for subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you can get those alerts, dingy dingy ding. Also, make sure you remember to be excellent to one another and like the video or not, whatever. It's up to you. Cheers.